Hi, I'm Lily and today we're going to be doing elbow bops.
In today's video, we're going to be working through how to do elbow bops with a hula hoop and getting the timings and position right so we don't get in a tangle. I recommend starting with your dominant arm until you get the timings right and can more easily transfer over to your less dominant side. Start the hoop off on your hand. Then when the hoop has rolled behind the hand is when you can move the hoop across by bending your elbow in so that your hand ends up in front of your shoulder blade. Make a fist with your hand, and to maintain the rotation, you need to push forwards with the bent arm whilst it's folded. To take the hoop back out, wait until the space is at the top, then move your hand into position to grab and then take it out as you stretch your arm. With this move, it's mostly about mastering the timings as to when the hoop space is allowing you to either bring your hoop in or take it out, or even bop your arms in and out to create the whole move. When the arm is in, you're pushing with your forearms to give the momentum, and when your arm is straight, you're continuing to move your arm slightly forwards and pushing the hoop round. So when the hoop hits, it keeps it spinning the same way you would if you were spinning it on your hand. So good luck with this move. Let me know in the comments how you get on and if you need any help, and good luck if you get any bruises. They do go away eventually. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it really helps us out, and come visit us over on Facebook and Instagram and even TikTok now. Let me know if there's a move you spotted that you really want broken down and covered. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.